And who are you?
Well, I am Ruthless, the chieftain. And this is my band of brigands.
1, 2, 3, 4!
Bing bong, booty booty, bibbidi boo. We're what happens when you don't finish school. Bing bong, booty booty, bibbidi boo. We're what happens when you don't finish school.
Sent here 20 years ago by the king to guard his borders. We don't know when to return, because no one here can read his orders.
Bing bong, booty booty, bibbidi boo. We're what happens when you don't finish school. Bing bong, booty booty, bibbidi boo. We're what happens when you don't finish school.
Lately things have been so bad there just are no words to tell it. And if we should find a word, I'm sure none of us could spell it.
We miss our mothers and our fathers.
It's a painful, sad condition.
It's hard to tell you just how much, because we never learned addition.
Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong.
So we wait around and scare any traveler passing through here. Since we never learned to trade, it's the only thing to do here.
Bing bong, booty booty, bibbidi boo. That's what happens when you don't finish school. Bing bong, booty booty, bibbidi boo. We're what happens when you don't finish school.
Bing bong, booty booty, bibbidi boo.